To link your Amazon Prime Visa to PayPal, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a PayPal account and an Amazon Prime Visa card. If you do not have a PayPal account, create one by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Next, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Payment Methods section. This is usually found under the Wallet or Payment Options tab. Click on the link or button that says Add a credit or debit card. You will be prompted to enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter the details of your Amazon Prime Visa card, making sure to include the correct card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is typically 16 digits and can be found on the front of your card. The expiration date and security code can be found on the back of your card. Once you have entered your card information, click the link or button to add the card. PayPal may prompt you to confirm your card by making a small charge to your account. This is a standard security measure to verify your identity and ensure the card is valid. After confirming your card, you can use your Amazon Prime Visa to make payments through PayPal. Keep in mind that you may need to set your Amazon Prime Visa as your default payment method if you want to use it for all PayPal transactions. You can do this by going to the Payment Methods section and selecting your Amazon Prime Visa as the default payment method. It is also important to note that linking your Amazon Prime Visa to PayPal may have some benefits, such as earning rewards points or cashback on your purchases. However, you should always review the terms and conditions of your Amazon Prime Visa and PayPal accounts to understand any potential fees or limitations. By following these steps, you can easily link your Amazon Prime Visa to PayPal and start making payments online. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to avoid any potential issues.